Healthy, strong and shiny hair is often considered a hallmark of beauty and overall wellness. While genetics, lifestyle and hair care routines play significant roles in hair health, proper nutrition is equally vital. Here we explore key supplements that can support healthy hair growth and maintenance. 1. Biotin, vitamin B7. Role in hair health. Biotin is essential for the production of keratin, the protein that forms the structure of hair. It helps strengthen hair strands and prevent breakage. Sources: found in eggs, nuts and whole grains, but supplementation may be helpful for deficiencies. Recommended dosage 2.55 mg daily. 2. Collagen role in hair health. Collagen provides amino acids necessary for hair structure and supports the dermis, the layer of skin where hair follicles reside. Sources: found in bone broth and gelatin, often taken as peptides for better absorption. Benefits: improves hair elasticity and hydration. 3. Vitamin D role in hair health. Vitamin D is crucial for hair follicle cycling and growth. Deficiency can lead to hair thinning or alopecia. Sources: sun exposure, fatty fish and fortified foods. Supplements may be needed in case of deficiency. Recommended dosage 600 to 800 IU daily. Consult a doctor for personalized advice. 4. Iron role in hair health. Iron helps red blood cells deliver oxygen to hair follicles, promoting growth and reducing shedding. Sources: red meat, spinach, lentils and fortified cereals. Considerations: supplementation should be guided by a doctor, as excess iron can be harmful. 5. Zinc role in hair health. Zinc supports hair tissue repair and maintains the oil glands around follicles. Sources: shellfish, nuts, seeds and whole grains. Recommended dosage 8 to 11 mg daily. Supplementation can help if dietary intake is insufficient. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. Role in hair health. Omega-3s nourish hair follicles and promote scalp health, reducing dryness and inflammation. Sources: fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, flax seeds and walnuts. Benefits: adds shine and improves hair strength. 7. Vitamin E role in hair health. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that prevents oxidative stress, a factor in hair aging and loss. Sources: almonds, sunflower seeds and avocados. Recommended dosage 15 mg daily. 8. Vitamin C role in hair health. Vitamin C helps the body absorb iron and supports collagen production, essential for healthy hair growth. Sources: citrus fruits, bell peppers and strawberries. Benefits: strengthens hair and prevents dryness. 9. Keratin role in hair health. Keratin is the primary protein in hair. Supplementing keratin can repair damaged hair and reduce frizz. Benefits: improves hair texture and resilience. Considerations: often included in topical treatments as well. 10. Saw palmetto role in hair health. May block DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a hormone linked to hair thinning in androgenetic alopecia. Sources: found in supplements for hair loss treatment. Benefits: supports thicker, fuller hair. 11. Selenium role in hair health. Selenium helps the body produce antioxidants that protect hair follicles from damage. Sources: Brazil nuts, seafood and eggs. Recommended dosage 55 mcg daily. Avoid excess. 12. Probiotics. Role in hair health. A healthy gut microbiome can enhance nutrient absorption, indirectly supporting hair health. Sources: yogurt, kefir and fermented foods. Benefits: improves overall scalp health and hair vitality. 13. MSM, methyl sulfonylmethane. Role in hair health: provides sulfur, a building block of keratin. Benefits: promotes hair thickness and strength. Dosage 1 to 3 grams daily. Consult a healthcare provider. 14. B-complex vitamins role in hair health. includes B12, niacin, and folic acid, which enhance hair growth by improving blood flow to the scalp. Sources: meat, dairy, and leafy greens. Benefits: supports overall hair health and shine. General tips for choosing supplements: consult a healthcare provider. Always discuss supplements with your doctor, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medications. Look for high-quality products. Choose reputable brands with third-party testing to ensure purity and potency. Combine with a healthy diet. Supplements work best alongside a balanced diet rich in whole foods.